5 questions that you should ask of your car accident lawyer when you're interviewing or looking to find a car accident lawyer. So let me go through what the 5 questions are, and question 4 is going to probably surprise you. My name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a car accident lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ. And I was thinking back to some of the times I've talked with potential clients on the phone, and sometimes they'll ask me a really good question. I've done this for so long that a lot of this stuff is just like simple. It's rote. It's just like breathing to me. But for a lot of people who are involved in car accidents who have never been involved in the civil litigation side and have bad experiences from either family law or criminal law, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking. So one of the first questions I would ask is, who's going to handle my case day to day? Right? Some law firms are made so that legal assistants, paralegals, case managers are the ones that take care of your case. And maybe that's not necessarily a bad thing, but you might want to ask, if they say that, then ask, how often is the attorney going to touch my case? Right? That might be a question. Second question is, how often are you going to communicate with me? I like to touch in with my clients once a week, once every 2 weeks, but the goal is once a week, to let them know that I am thinking of them, I am thinking of their case, this is what is going on. That constant contact allows them to think that, or know that they're not being forgotten, that something is happening. Even if I tell them nothing's happening in your case, that at least gives them the confidence knowing that something is taking place. The third thing that you want to look at when you're dealing with hiring a law firm is, how often do they go to arbitration? How often do they go to trial? Okay. And here's something. Even if a lawyer loses at trial, and many plaintiffs' lawyers lose at trial, it still increases the value of offers that the insurance companies make to that law firm, because it shows that that law firm, that lawyer, is not scared or afraid to go to trial. And that if they take it to trial, who knows, different jury, different judge, different set of facts, that they could break the bank. And that's what insurance companies fear, is those what they call runaway juries, runaway verdicts. And so ask the lawyer or the law firm, how many trials have you done? How many civil jury trials have you done? What counties have you done? Have you done any jury trials in my county? How many times have you gone to arbitration? Right? Those are the things that you want to know from your jury, from your car accident law firm that you're interviewing. And number 4, this one surprises you, is, are you going to send me to your doctors, or are you going to send me, or are you going to allow me to use my medical insurance, right? Because if you go to your doctor, right, your normal primary care physician, there's not, insurance companies, the big ones, have like SIUs, special investigation units, and they have files on a lot of these chiropractors and mill facilities. They have files about the things that they have done, and they start, taking depositions, and they start building a case against these people. And once they see that, you're going to that insurance, that provider that your attorney sent you to, they're gonna not value your case. So ask where are you gonna get the medical care for? And number 5, to end it out, just ask, like, how long is this going to take and why? Okay. My name is Garrick McFadden, and I'm probably going to end up following up number 5 a little bit later. But at GAMESQ, it is your injuries, our fight, your win. Give us a call.